So here we are outside the Rize motorhome. This is a Class B. So you're on a Dodge chassis on all of these. They do it nice and they try to compact a lot inside of a small package here. Some of them have this sky bunk up here. Some of them don't. They're a little bit bigger, have a little bit more room inside of them. Of course, both have a wet bath on the inside. Still have a modern chassis in the front, so you have all the creature comforts of a regular van instead of like a Class C or a Class A where you're a little bit more expanded, a little bit bigger. All of them are easy to drive, functioning just like a regular van. Most of them have solar panels, and most of them have the availability to have air conditioning, everything controlled by those solar panels and the lithium batteries that are inside. So if you are want to be modern, a little bit more compact and go more places, these Class B motorhomes by Rize are perfect for you. We just started carrying them here at RV Wholesalers. Come check them out and see what all they're about.